Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a get ready with me to go through with you using mostly all drugstore products, which I know if you are a regular on my channel, I was struggling to find the word. If you're a regular on my channel, you know I really don't do a whole lot of drugstore, but this past month or so I've kind of just been exploring a little more drugstore and really have found some things that I have very much enjoyed, and it makes me want to continue delving into the whole drugstore world. And so I am going to put to use quite a few products that I've purchased this month. One or two of them, I know one for sure, like the Milani Silky Matte Bronzer. This will be the first time that I have used this. Hadn't opened it prior till now. A few things I had already been using and loving. So for example, now BH Cosmetics is sold at Ulta, but I do consider it to be drugstore price because with they're usually, for example, these palettes are $16, but I was able to use my coupon and I got them for $12.50, and that to me is very in line with drugstore. So BH Cosmetics, gonna use both of these palettes. Gonna use the Love in London for the eyes, and then Hangin in Hawaii is an eyeshadow palette and I love it for the eyes, but today I'm gonna use it for blush and highlight. Because I don't have any other drugstore products for highlight and blush. So we're going to keep in with the theme. I'm trying to go as extreme as possible in this video with using pretty much a full face of drugstore makeup. Using the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer and Foundation. Let's see, what else? The Maybelline Lash Sensational. I've actually been really liking this. I wasn't sure when I first bought it. Been loving it. Using my Essence liner. I started off with the LA Girl, but it needs to be sharpened and my sharpener is like about to kick the bucket. So I need to run over to Ulta and grab another. For my primer, using the Aveeno Max Glow Serum and Primer. Love this, just don't love the application, whatever. I'm getting to a point that because it's starting to go down, it's starting to become very messy. Anyways, but I do love the product itself. So a couple of things that I was not able to use drugstore products, I'm going to be upfront with you because I don't want to say this is a full face of drugstore and then it's not. So my brows, I do not have any brow products from the drugstore. I will be researching and looking into that hopefully here next. Same thing with a loose setting powder. I had to use a MAC powder today because I don't have anything else in my collection as far as drugstore. My liquid eyeliner is my Fenty Fly liner. I have not found a liquid eyeliner by the drugstore that I like. So if you have suggestions, if you know of one that is very easy to use, easy to do a wing, please let me know. I'm not picky on whether it has to be super matte or if it's shiny. It does not matter to me. But yeah, so brows, eyeliner, that kind of thing. Obviously, for a tacky base, I did use my Fenty Pro Filter, but for the most part, everything else I showed you. Also, my lipstick is going to be Maybelline. This is in Almond Rose. And so anyways, long story short, that was a totally long intro, mainly using drugstore products, and I hope you enjoy. Let's get started. guys, that brings me to the end of today's Get Ready With Me. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it just maybe fun, entertaining, maybe even beneficial if you're like me and you prefer high-end products and really the drugstore has been kind of hit or miss for you. Hopefully you find this helpful because I feel like maybe brands are really starting to come out with comparable things at a fraction of the cost. And so, well, you know, obviously drugstore is a fraction of the cost, but I think it's promising. So I'm really excited. So if you are anything like me and that has been an issue for you in the past, maybe go check it out because I really have been enjoying using drugstore this month. I, again, hope you found it easy to follow. Y'all know me. My looks are super uncomplicated. I don't do a whole lot of using like 20 eyeshadows. I don't have the time or the patience for that. But that brings us to the end of this Get Ready With Me. I hope you guys are having a most wonderful day, a wonderful week. I love each and every one of you. Jesus loves you too, and I will see you in the very next video. Bye, everybody.